John Snow Incorporated and NRHA are pleased to announce Peiyin as the recipient of this year's Student Achievement Award. Peiyin is a newly minted graduate of the University of Minnesota's PhD program in Health Policy and Management and has worked at the University of Minnesota Rural Health Research Center since 2011. In that role, Peiyin's work has far exceeded that of a typical student. She has been the lead or co-author on 17 peer-reviewed publications and 12 policy briefs, and has presented her work at conferences across the country. Peiyin is a brilliant data analyst whose work on women's healthcare access in rural areas has been highlighted by Kaiser Health News, NPR, The Atlantic, and the Associated Press. Peiyin's interest in rural health disparities originated from her childhood in Taiwan, when her grandmother, a lifelong rural resident, had to relocate to a large urban hospital to receive treatment for a cardiac condition. Before passing away in a large, impersonal medical center, she told Peiyin, "You have to be educated to be seen by the hospital staff." This caused Peiyin to realize the human importance of examining differential policy effects across urban and rural populations, and eventually led her to the United States. Peiyin's dissertation examines women's healthcare access in rural areas, exploring the predictors and effects of hospital and obstetric unit closure on maternal care outcomes. Her emerging findings document that the most vulnerable communities, including hospitals in isolated rural areas, are at higher risk of losing their obstetric units. Dr. Katie Kazimano remarks that Peiyin is hardworking and intensely rigorous, but she is also incredibly well-rounded, applying liberal doses of patience, loyalty, and good humor to every professional encounter. She brings extraordinary discipline, authentic kindness, intellectual curiosity, and a methodological and analytic skill set to her academic and professional pursuits that is second to none.
It is a privilege and great honor to be selected as the recipient of this award. Going through PhD studies over 9,800 miles away from my home in Taiwan has not been easy. It was not just hardworking that made me productive. It is love, passion, and a group of amazing people around me. I've been blessed to work with my mentors, Ira Moscovich, Kitty Kazmano, and Michelle Casey, among other colleagues at the University of Minnesota. To everyone at NRHA, thank you for inspiring students like me. I'm humbled to work with all of you in my academic life for rural health research and policy. I'm sorry I cannot be there in person to accept this award. Ironically, my PhD commencement ceremony is taking place right now in Minnesota. I look forward to attending NRHA's annual meeting next year and for years to come. Once again, thank you.